It's the battle of heavyweights at the T20 World Cup, New Zealand versus South Africa. But here, it's the battle of chips, battle of fries. It's potato versus sweet potato, SLUP chips versus KUMARA. They both look like French fries, but they are not. From South Africa, we have the SLUP chips. They are spelled SLAP like slap, but pronounced SLUP. They are softer and thicker than French fries. We peel the potato first and slice them into big, thicker fries. KUMARA chips are New Zealand's speciality. KUMARA means sweet potato in Maori language. You peel the sweet potato and slice them up like French fries. I'm baking them at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Here we are. We have the two nations chips and fries. The reason you see lesser KUMARA chips in this bowl is because of obvious reason. I ate them. Some are burnt, but some of them are nicely baked and crispy. And on the other hand, we have soft, limpy chips. Surprisingly, I'm not minding the vinegar. It's the key thing. You drizzle vinegar at the end and then season with salt, and it tastes good. Just like both the cricket teams, I can't pick the better one of the two. They both are great, obviously, because these are sweet potato and baked. These are health-wise better options, but every once in a while I won't mind eating SLUP chips. The T20 World Cup continues. I'm posting daily battle shots and post-match winning shots on YouTube. So stay tuned and subscribe and send this to your friends and family who love cricket and who love food.